Hi guys, it's Karis Anderson here and I am ready to take you on an awesome ab workout today. Welcome back to my channel if you're returning, and if you're new, I give you short, sharp workouts and tons of motivation and health and fitness and mindset advice for your journey. So today, as I said, we're going to be using the core, so make sure you use it correctly, bringing that belly button into your spine, breathing out with each movement. It's a 9-minute workout. You're going to feel it shape, tone up your tummy. Let's get started. Okay, so let's get started. We are in our plank position, elbows underneath our shoulders, belly button tucked up into your spine, and we're stepping out and in. Okay, so let's come up into our high plank now, and we're just tucking one hand behind our back and alternating. Make sure you keep your hips nice and level and your belly button up. Okay, coming down onto the floor, we're going into our side crunch. Zipping that belly button into the spine and crunching up. Rest your head in your hands and keep breathing. Okay, over to the other side. We're now crunching on the left. All right, into the middle, we've got bicycle legs, so just lifting the shoulders and the head off the mat and alternating the legs, making sure that we breathe, and each time you breathe out, you bring that belly button back into your spine. All right, time to take 30 seconds rest, breathe, stretch your core out, and then we're going to go for round 2. Plank step outs. Single arm plank now. Your side crunches. And on the other side. Let's get our bicycle legs in. Well done, rest it out here.
Another broken plate, another called off date. We never seem to get it right. Another heart attack.
Plank step outs.
We can take back. We are the reason opposites attract. Once you slam the door on the second floor, I regret it all. When I think it through, I can help the way I feel for you. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right.
Single arm plank now.
Let's fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the worst can sting. I wanna change a thing, 'cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Sitting there by the phone, hoping you'll answer yours. Baby, let's talk until
On your back for your side crunches.
You've been in bed for days, empty without me, you say. Can't you just magically turn up in mine? Then you knock on my door on the second floor, and I feel okay. We just made it through, and I love the way I feel for you. Baby, you make me lose my mind like all the time.
And on the other side.
Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the worst can sting. I wanna change a thing, 'cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Oh yeah, it still feels right.
And let's get our bicycle legs in.
Still feels right. Still feels right. Still feels right. Still feels right. Oh yeah. We never get it right, but somehow it feels right. We never get it right, but it still feels right. We never get it right, but somehow it feels right. That's how I feel about you.
Well done, rest it out here. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that you liked this video. Make sure that you smash that like button, hit subscribe, share this with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video.
Even the worst can stay. I wanna change it.